What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code on Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe. After that, you will see this first official link of Stripe. Click on this link and after clicking on this link, you will be welcome to this dashboard of Stripe. On your right side, you can see the option of sign in. Click on that option and sign in with your email and your password. Now, after signing in, you will be welcome to the home of Stripe. And now from here on your left side, click on product catalog. And from here, click on coupons from the top. After clicking on coupons on your right side, you can see the option of create coupon. Click here and from here you have to make your own coupon. First, name your coupon like this is the discount coupon, and if you want you can enter the ID, but this is optional. And of what type of discount do you want, like your percentage off or a fixed amount off? I will simply just keep it as it is, percentage off. And after that, here in the percentage discount, enter the discount percentage that you want to give. I want to give, for example, 40%. So this will be the 40% discount. And if you want to apply only to the specific products, turn this on to apply to the specific product and then write the product that you want to apply the discount to. But if you want to apply a discount for all products, just simply turn it off and it will be applied to all products, and then select the duration like the discount coupon will be applied once or forever or multiple months. You can choose anyone from these, and then the redemption limits like the limit the date range when customers can redeem this coupon. And second one is limit the total number of times this coupon can be redeemed. You can check this according to your requirements and use customer facing coupon codes. You can even turn this on to use the customer facing coupon codes, and then here add the expiry date, add the specific customer, and you can check all these checks according to your requirements. When you are done, click on create coupon, so your coupon will be created. And this is how you can create and add a promo code on Stripe. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.